Hello everyone, welcome to our programming library. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about next and break statements in R loop. First of all, let's talk about the next statement. The next statement is used to skip an iteration of the loop. Let's see one example. So here I have created a for loop to calculate the square of numbers between 1 to 10. And inside the for loop, I have created a next statement so that if any number is equal to 6, then it's going to skip from the iteration. So let's run this code and see what happens. Okay, so you can see here for every other number from 1 to 10, the square is calculated for them, but not for number 6 because that is skipped from the iteration, and the square root of that number, square of that number is not calculated. Now let's talk about the break statements. The break statements is used to exit a loop immediately from an iteration. So for example, I have used the same for loop here that I have used above. But in this case, I have created a break statement inside the for loop, so that if any number is equal to 6, then just break the loop from the iteration, so that any number above the 6 will not be will not come into the iteration, and no square root, so no square of the numbers are calculated after 6, even including that 6. So we will see only square of numbers from 1 to 5 this time. Okay, so square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, and square of 5 is 25. So no any other numbers from 5 are used in the iteration to calculate the square of those numbers. So that's it about next and break statements in R. Thank you very much for watching.